says the old man heard the ghosts. Stories passed through him like the years he washed off his calloused hands. This man found religion in the anarchy of emotion and need, and in the right and wrong made clear at the end of a story like this. Now, as he experiences his own moment, he can't break habit. He walks among the stones, consoling the scattered voices 6